Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel. So in this video I'll like to show you the way how to create call, put voice or video calls on Google Chat application. First thing you have to do is just go open your Google Chat application by open your app library and just type chat, and whenever you got them just go click it. And if you cannot find this application, go into the app store and start install this application. The next thing you need to do before creating a call, you need to find or you need to decide whom do you want to call on the Google Chat. Whenever you got it, you just need to go click the account, and the next thing you need to do is just go take a look on the top side here. There will be two icons which are this camera icon and this three small dots. So if you want to create a call, go click this camera icon. There will be two options here, either you want to create a chat audio or chat video. If you want to have the voice call, go click this chat audio, but then if you want to have a video call, click this chat video. So basically that is the way how to create calls on Google Chat. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. So thank you for watching, and I'll like to see you for the next tutorial.